Hey, what's up guys? So we just got something in the mail from TCL. Wow, that was unexpected, but yeah, we got the TCL 10 5G ultra wideband. Now, and the last part of the name, you can kind of tell it's a Verizon exclusive device. So we open the lid, and the power of 5G for everyone. So this is like a budget phone. I mean, off the bat, it sounds pretty good. 5G for a budget price, that's not bad. So it is stuck to this little thing, but this is the reviewer's box, so that's not going to be an issue with the retail model. I mean, it's a piece of cardboard, but yeah. So once we get that out of the box, it's a standard phone box, not slim, as you can see if you compare it to the Apple box. Has the box contents. It shows a website in the back, all that good stuff. Shows the specs on the right side. I mean, solid box overall. And then in the reviewer's package, we also do get a spec case, which is pretty nice. It does look pretty solid. I mean, in my opinion, I haven't seen any other cases for this phone quite yet, but judging off first looks, it looks pretty decent. Then we got the TCL microfiber cloth, which is really nice of them to include. So yeah, I mean, it looks like a pretty solid device overall. We're not going to open it quite yet because we did get this reviewer's guide in the box. So as you can see on the back, it shows us all of TCL's social media platforms. And then if we look through the reviewer's guide a little bit, it'll show us a few specs of the TCL 10 5G. So it does have a 2340 by 1080 display, 60 Hz of course, but it's priced at $399, so that's kind of expected. It does have a dual LED flash on the back, which is really unexpected. I've never seen a phone like that before, as well as a 43 megapixel camera on the back, so that's interesting. So yeah, now we got the box. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. That's what everyone came here for, so let's go ahead and check and see what's inside of this thing. I haven't seen any other unboxings of this phone. This is kind of my first thing. But yeah, it's in this little pamphlet, which slides out. But it is, what I noticed is that it's pretty heavy for what it is. There we got basically instruction manuals inside that little box. Basically something that Verizon included, just has like a little quick start guide type of thing. It's kind of a carrier thing. Then we get the SIM eject tool. I mean, if you want to change your SIM card out anytime, I guess, after you unlock the phone, then you can definitely use that. Then, as you can see right here, it comes with a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, which is braided. That's pretty nice. And a charging block. Look at that, Apple. Even a $399 phone can include a charging block. Very interesting. This is a 12-volt charging block, so I believe it is capable of fast charging. Not to, full extent of like a 20-watt power, brick, but it's definitely there. It's at least included, unlike other phones. But yeah, this is it booting up. I'm gonna be doing a 1-week review in a bit. I just want to get some time to know the phone and all that sort of stuff. So I'll let you know what my thoughts are after then. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're interested in this type of content, and I'll see you guys next week.